Life gets heavy sometimes. Feels like you're hauling a load too big to carry. The nights get long, the road gets lonely, and it feels like nobody sees the miles you've already put in. But if you're hearing my voice right now, you made it through another day. And that means the road ain't over yet. We all carry a weight. Some people see it, most don't. Maybe your road and your load is bills stacking up. Maybe it's the feeling that no matter how hard you work, it's never enough. Maybe it's the silence when you park for the night and all you can hear is your own thoughts. I've been there. I'm here. I felt worn down, tired to my bones, wondering if tomorrow would be any different. Maybe they're right now. But I want you to know you're not alone. Every person you pass on the highway, every stranger you see in the store, they're fighting battles you'll never know. And so are you. Here's what the road has taught me. Every mile forward is progress. Even if you're crawling. Even if you're running on fumes. Forward is forward. And here's the truth. No storm lasts forever. The rain will stop. The night will end. And when the sun comes up, it reminds you life moves on. You can too. I remember times I thought I couldn't keep going. Times I wanted to park it for good and walk away. But I didn't. Every mile I pushed through showed me something. Strength I didn't know I had. You've got the same strength inside you, even when you don't feel it, especially then. So here's my message to you. If you're tired, if you're worn, if you feel like giving up, don't you quit now. You've already come too far to stop here. Your story isn't finished. Your best mile, the one where everything changes, it's still ahead of you. You don't have it all figured out. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep moving. 1 mile, 1 step, 1 breath at a time. And if this message spoke to you, I want you to remember something. You're not done yet. the road ain't over. As long as there's a breath in your chest, you've got another chance to put it in gear and keep rolling. So don't give up. Not tonight. Not tomorrow. Not ever. Your best days are still ahead. So I want to thank you for being here at the Roadhouse. If this lifted you up, hit that subscribe button, share it with someone who needs it, and keep rolling. We're all in this together. This should time out at a 10-4. Keep your head up, keep the wheels down. Sunny side up. That's what I've always heard. So keep on rolling, my brothers and sisters. We can do this together. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.